Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Princess and Sidekicks Micro Mystery Pens. These were released in May of 2024 and they were available at Pink a la Mode, but they're all sold out now. But these were $18 per box and there are 2 pens in each box. So these are a special edition of 500 per character design. So this is a 12-pin collection and the pin designs we can get are Cinderella and Gus, Belle and Chip, Ariel and Flounder, Rapunzel and Pascal, Tiana and Louis, and then Moana and Pua. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. So I can't complete the collection today, but the ones I want the most are Rapunzel, Pascal, Moana, and Pua. So those are the ones I'm hoping for, but the rest are super cute too. So very curious to see the size of these. I know it's been a while since I opened up the micro pens, so I know they're really usually pretty small, but fun to fit on pen boards though. So let's see what we have here. So we have 2 blue bags. Oh yeah, they feel really small. they are micro pens. So here we go. Pen 1 is Tiana. So we have Tiana there in her green dress and she's got her crown on top. I'm probably not even been able to put these on. No, she stayed. All right, and I'm curious to see what this is because I remember watching Sarah over at Sarah's Disney Magic. When she unboxed these, they were in the Princess and Sidekick pairs. So if that's the case, then this would be Louis. And I'm looking at the back and it kind of looks like it. It is. And it is. It is Louis. That is cool. So that kind of takes a little bit of the mystery out of it. So you know, once you open the first one, you kind of know what the second one's going to be. So at least that's how her unboxing was. So I'm guessing that's how this one's going to be too. I've had these sitting around for quite a while. I have a lot of pens sitting around, so might be trying to get into some of those here. So you might see some older pens being unboxed. All right, so the next collection, oh, I'm looking at the back and this does look like another Tiana. And it is. Okay. So that means this is going to be another Louis, right? Yep, I had him upside down. It's like, no, he looks different. He's upside down. So we're already off to some doubles here. And the bummer part is when you wait so long to open up your pens, you can't go get more because they're sold out. So then you have to either buy them from someone who has them or trade with someone who has doubles like that. So we'll see here. I don't want any more Tianas and Louis. Okay, this one's different. It's different. I don't know what it is, but it's all like smooth edges. So this is Rapunzel. All right. So we have Rapunzel there and the smooth edges are all of her pieces of hair coming down there. Cool. So that means I got Rapunzel and then this should be Pascal. And is it? It is. We got a little micro Pascal. That's awesome. So a little micro Rapunzel and Pascal. So we got one of the ones I wanted and the other one is Moana and Pua. So I'm hoping to get that out of one of these boxes here. So let's see. Get our 2 bags out here. All right, and you can sit here and kind of feel them, but they're such small pens that I don't think you can feel the characteristics of the pen to predict what it is. This is different. Almost looks like a big flower from the back here. And it big flower. It is Gus. So his 2 ears and the hat. And he's got like a kind of his feet almost look like a flower pot from the back. So we have Gus, and then that means this one will be, do I say will be? Should be Cinderella. And it is Cinderella. Just my luck, I'll say will be, and then it'll be someone completely different. I'll have that one box that's completely different. All right, one more box to go. So hey, this one's already ripped open a bit here. So let's see what we get for our last princess. Oh no, it looks like another Tiana. And it is another Tiana. bummer. And so that's where having these be the same isn't so great, because now you're getting two doubles instead of maybe it's not a duplicate box, but these ones are a duplicate box. So we got another Lewis. So not the greatest unboxing here. I mean, I did get one of the ones I wanted with Rapunzel and Pascal, so that's cool, but I only got 6 out of the 12. So yeah, well, we got to halfway, I guess. So those were the Disney Princess and Sidekicks Micro Mystery Pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of these 6, and also, do you like micro pens? I like micro pens because I like that they can fill in the gaps on your pen board. You'll have a little gap there that you can't fit a full-size pen in, but you can fit a little micro pen in there, so I think they're pretty cool. And my favorite here, going into this, 2 of the ones I wanted were Rapunzel and Pascal, but after seeing them up close, those ones are not my favorite here. My favorite, it's a close one, but I think my favorite's going to be Gus. I just love that one. I just love, there's a lot of little detail on that one, and it's super cute. And then my second favorite is Lewis, because, he's just a big crocodile, but he looks like this little cute crocodile. So those are my 2 favorite ones here. So this wasn't a bad unboxing, but it wasn't great either. I got halfway. So I got 6 out of the 12. So the ones I'm still missing are Belle and Chip, Ariel and Flounder, and Moana and Pua. So those were the 6 that I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.